Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu, or Oraifite, or you call me Akajugo. I'm an ancient high priest. Yes, I'm a priest in Ugochitubelu temple, and also a priest in Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission, and also an evangelist. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today, our today's topic is spirituality and masquerade. I'm here to tell you about masquerade and what it means world over. Don't want to narrate it only to Igbos, no. Because world over, based on my findings, has masquerade festival. Yes, I remember when I was in Asia, they have their own masquerade festival. Masquerade is masquerade is not it's not spiritual. Yes, but it's like my stories, what you normally read from the books. Masquerade is a creation of man to express the meaning in spirituality as it concerns the mystery of spirituality. So actually you can say masquerade and what they stand for has a meaning or a link with spirituality. Whenever you see masquerade, you know that masquerade has a meaning. And for the fact that masquerade has a meaning, it shows you, and in that masquerade we have fun. We have masquerade for fun. And also we have another masquerade that is more of spiritual. And we have day masquerade. And also we have night masquerade. Yes. So those masquerade are for a purpose and for a reason. And in the land of the physical, there are so many things you understand about masquerade. But before we go into deep mystery of masquerade, what I want to tell you is pay attention. When we, after the announcement, I will explain more what you need to know about masquerade. Yes. Then, before we dive into today's lecture, don't forget that we are in the month of March, according to Roman calendar. In the month of March, we want to explain so many things. And if you want to join our monthly rituals, you can join our monthly rituals. Yes, you can join our monthly rituals. Our monthly rituals contains so many things, and the prayers, rituals. And if you want to join us, distance is never a barrier. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Yes. If you want to join us, what you have to do, look on your screen. You will see our number, the number you will reach with. Then, if all your 3 prayer requests, make token donation to the account number. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243871. Now, let's proceed. Like I told you before, the topic of today is spirituality and masquerade. Spirituality and masquerade. I'm here to tell you that masquerade represents the spirituality. And masquerade, for us, we the Igbos, for you to understand masquerade, you have to be initiated in masquerade. Yes, we have those certain rituals you will perform for you as any balmong. Yes, and with some rituals. Like if you are not a member, you will not understand what masquerade is all about. Yes. So, however, like I told you, masquerade is like a symbol to explain the mystery of spirits. That is why in Igbo language we call them more, because the mystery of the masquerade explain a lot. Like I told you when we started, that we have lots of masquerade, and those masquerades represent something or the other. Masquerade has categories, in the sense that we have masquerade for the children, just for fun. Then we have other senior masquerades that has the spiritual undertone. Yes, and that is we have masquerade for the elders, and also we have masquerade for the matured and adult mind. We call it Mowabadi. If it's in our part of the world, part of an Igbo, we call it either Ayaka and Obasu. Ayaka and Obasu. Ayaka and Obasu are masquerade for the matured mind, adults. Then for you to be a member of those Ayaka and Obasu, you will see be initiated the way they perform it. But it's not a cult, it's not anything, no. But it's just to maintain the dignity of the members. That is what is important, to maintain the dignity of the members and the mystery and what the masquerade is all about. So, like I told you, mystery of masquerade. That is why if you are a type that from time to time you used to see yourself in the dream where masquerade, you are being pursued by masquerade, you are being seeing masquerade maybe flogging you, chasing you, and so on and so forth. It represents the ancestors, and it represents the elders. So it depends on the manner you see them. It depends on the how and what your interaction with them looks like. Yes. So, but what I can tell you now is, same masquerade in a dream is for a reason. Depends when you see them, whether the relationship with you and them are cordial or punishable ones, or maybe you are being scared. Yes. So if such a thing happens, it plays a role in explaining to you the relationship between you and the spirits. So in the actual sense, we regard masquerade as spirit, as more. Yes, and we all know the process is what you must do before masquerade will be shown to public. However, there are some certain things about masquerade I will not make open because I'm more. But what I want to tell you is this: note that masquerade is all over the world. Every race and tribe have their own masquerade, and that masquerade is there for a reason, and it has a symbol. Those masquerade has symbol, what they represent. So, and what they represent the time is what based on what the ancestors and indigenous want to portray that masquerade for. Like I told you before, we have masquerade for fun, for children playing, and we have other adult masquerade and everything. So masquerade is like a mystery. Yes. So like I told you before, when you see them in the dream, try to find out exactly what that particular masquerade you saw in the dream means. Because in Igbo my stories, masquerade is being used to explain so many things and mystery to us. That's why whenever you are having some spiritual stuff, you are being shown masquerade for a reason, for you to understand what masquerade stands for. That is one. Then two, masquerade is cultural. Masquerade is cultural in the sense that every culture have their own masquerade, and all of them is for fun. and to carry everybody along. Yes, if you go to even to UK, the Americas, they have their cultural festival. They do masquerade of a thing for people to have and have fun. So all this is that the spirituality, even if we are talking about the spirituality, still have time for fun. Very important. You still have time for fun. And that time you have for fun is to buttress a point. So whenever you see masquerade, find out the type of masquerade is all about. If it's the masquerade for fun, moving around, playing, dancing of sorts, then understand that this particular masquerade is for fun. But those masquerade that is we regarded as adult masquerade, if you see those kind of masquerade, just note that those masquerade symbolizes something. Yeah, like I told you before, the adult masquerade has the morning and the night masquerade. In our place, if a traditional person dies, there is this masquerade that will first come and perform. That masquerade is just to kickstart the event. Without that masquerade to start and do all the rituals like placing of formal and everything, the whole event have not started. So, and I know it's like that in from tribe to tribe and from culture to culture. The most important thing is that to know, understand what masquerade is all about. Yes, and also we understand in modern era we have some uh, fun masquerade that sometimes the youths that are in charge of those masquerade will be abusing it. So some of those things, the excess, we understand it because of the modern day reality of life. But the truth of the matter is that the masquerades are not spirits, but masquerades are created by humans to buttress a point and for fun. So you understand it this way and knows that whenever you see those masquerades, is for you to teach you a lesson about what is spirit looks like. Yes. Thank you. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, I want us to do deep consultation for you, then chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on your screen. 0805 7837 I repeat, 0805 7837 or 0813 8243 871. Let us pray. Ekwem, ekwem. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị isi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazụrụ ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya, ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed. Now and forevermore. I guess, good run.